Hi students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge London channel. Guys, we are back with a new cue card from the cue card series of 2021. So today's topic is describe an article you read in a magazine or on the internet about healthy living. You should say what the article was about, where you read it, and explain what you learned, thought from that respective article. Guys, nowadays we are mostly on our mobile phones. We have our cell phones, updated technology, gadgets always around us, our laptop, our iPads, and we are constantly reading. Like, we have e-newspapers, we are doing the e-shopping, we have a YouTubes, then Insta feeds, Facebooks, and so many advertisements coming and everything. So we go through so many things. Even if you want to search something on a Google, when you enter that, you get all this latest news, gossips, everything over it. So it's very easy to read anything about a healthy life or anything about anything on the internet, which is more easy, because somewhere if we are passionate about the books and magazines, we have a particular magazine which we read, only then we do it. Otherwise, now there is like e-books, Kindle, Audible books, so everything is done on your laptop, your computer, your mobile phones, your iPad. So you normally do all these things over here. So it's very easy to say that you have read about an article or about something on the internet. So let's start our today's sample band answer. Recently I came across an interesting article on the internet about the benefits of drinking warm water with lemon and ginger in the morning. The name of the website is healthylifestyle.co.uk. You would generally think that lemon water is just one kind of drink that helps keep your body hydrated. However, it gives you many other benefits that you can't imagine. The article says that if you build up a habit of kicking off your day with a glass of warm water with the juice of half a lemon and ginger, you will do your body and mind a great favor. Firstly, lemon juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, and ginger keeps your body warm and kill the bad bacteria inside your body. Thus, it helps boost your immune system in fighting off colds and flu. Moreover, the combination of lemon and ginger is great for combating skin aging because they are rich in antioxidant properties. Lemon also helps clean our urinary tract and detoxify our livers. The list of benefits doesn't end here. The high level of potassium in lemons and ginger can improve brain and nerve functioning and control blood pressure. Mixture of ginger and lemon in a warm water can also ward off stress and depression linked to low levels of potassium. As a result, the article suggests if you continue drinking warm water with lemon and ginger first thing in the morning for at least 21 consecutive days, you will notice the difference in your skin and general health immediately. So guys, this is the answer. About a healthy lifestyle, we nowadays in this very stressful or a very fast busy lives, we are always try to do at least something good at least once a day, or like having a fruits or just having a warm glass of water with lemons, ginger, turmeric or jaggery before the bed or in the morning, or having like a green teas, chamomile teas, peppermint trees. These kind of things nowadays people are really doing so that they get like a good sleep, or they wake up fresh in the mornings to release the toxics from the body. So there are so many things you can just go on the internet and find about healthy living styles. People are doing like keto diets, not just to lose weight, but just to have a glowing skin as well, just to keep your body fit. So there's a lot of things on the internet. You can just take ideas from here, or you can just talk about anything which you have used or you are doing from certain time in your life. I hope you really like this video. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar, and I'll be back with some more cue cards. Thank you students. Thanks a lot.